Hey guys, KaliFab here, and today I'm going to do my graveyard project pan intro. Woo! So, I will tell you, I was one of the original people that were supposed to post on April 30th, but for some reason when I filmed my intro, like, I don't even know, a week and a half ago, I tried to upload it to my computer. It said it uploaded fine. I went to go edit it and it was like glitching. It was like blacked out in certain areas. It was very, very bizarre. So I'm not really sure if it was with my camera or if it was with my computer, but everything I had filmed after that was fine. So I'm not really sure where the disconnect was at that video, but long story short, I am refilming it today. It is quite a few days after the 30th. It is, I think it's May 4th today. Unfortunately that I did not post this on the day that everybody else did, but thank you, Emily, for inviting me to this. I'm so excited to be doing this. Emily and Max here on YouTube contacted a bunch of us, like, what was it, like 21 of us from YouTube and Instagram to do this project pan like a month ago, like well over a month ago, sometime in like the middle of March, I swear. And she was thinking of the idea of a graveyard project pan where you have two different categories. You have the resurrection category where things that you have tried to pan in the past and haven't been able to are still sitting around and you need to resurrect them and get them out of your collection. And the second category, which we kind of voted on together and kind of came up with the name together, was collecting cobwebs. So things in your collection that are literally like getting dusty. Things you haven't used in a while, things that are close to expiration, anything that you really want to just get out of your collection. And yeah, I think this is such a fun idea. It was basically coming up with like 5 to 10 products. It is a rolling project pan, so once you finish something, you add something else in. There are going to be updates every 2 months, so there's only going to be 2 updates, and then the finale. And the finale, of course, because it's a graveyard project pan, is going to be on Halloween. So I think that is super fun. And you guys know I'm going to be coming up with Halloween looks this year again, like I did last year. I actually have quite a few number of things in mind, and one of my girlfriends is going to come over and help me. Well, she's going to be my model so that I can do a look on someone else, so I can kind of show you guys my versatility. But anyways, I'm super excited about that. Clearly, we've been talking about it for months. But I just wanted to go over the products that I had chosen for this project. Initially, I did have 6 products like many of the other ladies here, but I did add in one more because it is updates every 2 months instead of every month. So I wanted to be able to work on one more thing that has been in my resurrection category. And yeah, I am ready to start this. Sorry, that was a very long intro. I was trying to be quick. I will link the playlist down below of everybody that is involved in this, and also I'm hoping I'll be able to link everybody's Instagrams. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but if you're interested, go over to Emily's channel. I'm sure she has everything linked down below. I will link her channel individually as well because she is the one that came up with this idea. But we have quite a few like named people, like Jamie. Oh, Jamie, what is your last name? Mueller, Tosh, Natasha, technically, from Too Much Tosh is on there. Katie Marie, you guys know I love her. I have been in her channel, or I have been in her videos, and we have collabed together in the past, and I absolutely love Katie. She is amazing. She comes up with the best eye looks too. You guys should definitely follow her Instagram if you're interested. She has amazing colorful eye looks. Like, I wish I was her sometimes because she is so creative. Anyways, so there are quite a few big name people in this, and of course, you know, my girl Paula is in this. I love her. She's got a lot of project panning. Who else is in this? Sarah Saparini, I think is her last name. She is in this. Rachel, my girl Rachel Winters is in this. She does the Bob series with me. And gosh, Cookie Pans, I think, is in this on Instagram. I'm trying to think of like all these names. I can't quite think of everybody right now, and I know that like 30 people have added into this project, which I think is amazing. So if you want to be involved in this, definitely do your video, link the playlist, and you are good to go. We want everybody to be involved in this. So, whoa, I just slapped my leg super hard. I am gonna go on with my products, and I'm gonna get started with the one I just added in this morning because I wanted to do another one. So this is from the Resurrection category. It's kind of collecting cobwebs too, because I swear this is gonna expire very, very soon. It has no expiration date on it, but this was in my hashtag roulette pan collab with Rebecca Morgan and Alexi. So this is the Rock Daily Resurfacing Discs, and you guys know that there was 28 in here to begin with. I have been cutting them in half. So what is that, 50, I always get this number wrong, 56 total. So I did count them this morning when I finished cutting them up, and I only have 18 pads left. So I'm going to mark on the bottom the pads that I use up so I can count, so I can, you know, get them out. But that is my first product. Okay, so this one's kind of in both categories. It's been sitting in my collection for a long time, and it is something that you guys have seen recently on my channel. I wasn't trying to pan it, I was just trying to use it. And that is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and this one was in my Project 10 Uses with Paula and a few other ladies. So that is where we are at. I will mark this one. I did get a Sharpie, just so you know. But I will mark this one. I can probably say that I can probably finish this one within a month. So once this one is out, I will be putting another one in this project for a primer type water. But yeah, I want to finish this one completely, and it is sticker marked to finish by the end of the year. So it needs to happen. Then something that was in my hashtag roulette pan collab for quite a few number of rounds, is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in Dolce de Leche. You guys know that I did repress this. I did post pictures on my Instagram, but I want to finish this entire palette. This color here I do use as a contour in the winter time because it is quite dark on me in the summer, or I mean in the winter. So in the summertime, I can definitely use this as a bronzer as well to get it finished. And then this one here was repressed with this, a highlighter, and a different under eye setting powder. And that one's almost gone. I have been using that one so much. It is basically almost completely flat, and that one I can see getting done in about a month. The bronzer contour side is probably going to take a couple months to finish out, but I do have significant pan in both sides, and I just want to finish it. The next thing is my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. This was in a project pan, clearly from the markings on the side, but I only have about a third of it left here. And yeah, I'm ready for it to be done. I do think that this is more so in the collecting cobwebs. I do feel that this one is going to expire here very soon if I don't finish it out. And I love this, you guys. The smell of it has like a minty, fresh type of smell. I really do like it, and I definitely think I can finish this within maybe a month or two. I am working on another facial spray, the Mario Badescu, and I think I can actually finish them both within like 2 months if I really work hard on actually finishing it. So this one is where we are. I will mark this with a Sharpie at the end of this video, but this one's definitely gotta go. 3 more things. This one's another one in my collecting cobwebs. This one is something that I also had in my Project 10 Uses. Was it 10 Uses? Or no, this was my lip service project. I just wanted to use this, what, like 6 to 8 times. This is the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in the shade Hush Hush. I'm pretty sure I got this in a Sephora Play. There is only that amount left. It does have that little weird spongy thing on the back. I'm not going to use that, but there is where we are now. And basically, I want to completely finish this off, but I think by the end of the month, I can get this part done so that the cap goes on all the way down to the black. So that is going to be my goal for a month, and in 2 months I'm hoping that we're going to be struggling to put the cap on at all. So I really want to make it a point to use this a ton. I will probably mark down the amount of times that I use this just so that I can see how long it really takes, but I do think this looks beautiful on the lips. It's very soft, and yeah, I think it's really nice. But it smells like a wooden pencil that my dad uses on the construction site. I do know I put that in here somewhere, but that's exactly what it smells like, which kind of takes me back to my childhood, which is weird. I know. Okay, so this one's also probably considered in both categories. This is the e.l.f. Hyper Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Fairy. This one's very, very old, and this has got basically the Stila lip glaze type of packaging where you know, roll it up. But that is how much we have left. I will be marking this, and I will be putting this in my car to use every single day. This is the type of product that I don't wear on its own. I wear on top of other things. Maybe I'll put it on right now and see how it looks. I actually don't think that looks bad, but now it's all dirty and gross looking, so I'll wipe that off. But anyways, I will be marking this, and I will be planning on finishing up this entire thing. I definitely think it will be gone in the 2 months that I have before I do my next update. And yeah, I want to get this one out. I need to start going through my lip glazes and getting those out as well. Once again, they were manufactured in April of 2011. Ew, that's gross, but they're all like perfect, and they don't smell weird, and they don't taste weird, and they're great. Okay. Anyways, I gotta get this out of my collection. This is the e.l.f. one though, and once this one's gone, I will continue to add in those lip glazes from Stila to try to get those done. And last but definitely not least, this was another item in my project 10 uses to see that I could actually wear this color, and it has become one of my favorite items. It is the Elizabeth Mott Queen of the Fill Tinted Brow Gel in medium dark. It is what I have in my brows today, along with the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 3. So I put this on first. Thank you, Heather. I love this. Heather from Love Heatherette actually sent this to me for friend mail because it's too dark for her brows. I love it, Heather. Thank you again. But this is what I'm going to be actually panning. It is the brow setter that I have on today, and I really, really enjoy this. And honestly, I just want to use it up. It is very pigmented. I don't need much, but I definitely think I can use this up in the next couple months, especially coming summertime. I want to use a lighter one. I like using the Make Me Brow from Essence in the shade 3 Soft Brownie Brows for the summertime. So I want to finish this up here in the winter when it's a little bit like darker, you know, so that I can actually enjoy the lighter one for the summer and not have 2 brow gels open at the same time, which they are, but you know, we're just rolling with it right now. But anyways, that is all of the items that I have. Once again, I have 7 items here that I want to finish up, and I definitely think I can do so here in the next couple months so that I can keep rolling things in and keep getting things out that are really close to expiration mainly, and things that, you know, I've tried to pan and I can definitely finish out, like that contour palette. I definitely think I can finish this out, you guys. I am sick of looking at it. It's dirty, it's repressed, it is ready to get out of my collection. So I'm enjoying using it, but I'm just ready for it to go. I'm ready to use something else. So anyways, thank you again, Emily, for inviting me to this project. Once again, sorry I am late, but I do plan on updating in June, on June 30th, on August 30th, and on Halloween. So what is that? October 31st? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go and check out all the other lovely ladies included in this project. And I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.